Am I wrong for telling my son that he's obviously gay? My son, 17 male, has apparently been in the closet for the past 7 months. So my son, he's fairly masculine straight acting, if that makes sense. However, he's very obviously had a boyfriend, 18 male, for the past 7 months. He sometimes baby talks to this boy, hugs him all the time. He's called him handsome, shares his clothes. They sit way too close to each other to the point where they're basically cuddling. He even closes his bedroom door with him, but not any other friends. It was obvious to me that it was his boyfriend because he's over our house like every day, and he's been buying him holiday gifts. And for the past 7 months, he now always smells good, he dresses really nice, and he keeps his hair fixed. So today, I asked my son if he was going to invite his boyfriend on our trip. He then got all awkward and said, "That's not funny." I asked what he meant, and he said, "I'm straight, that's not funny." I busted out laughing, and when I realized that he was serious, I started laughing even harder. I told him he was very obviously in a relationship with a guy, and that he did a terrible job hiding it. He got emotional and started asking me not to tell his dad. Now my husband, his stepdad on the other hand, already knows, and he said it was very obvious. Then he got all upset at me saying that I outed him when he wasn't ready, and he hasn't spoken to me since.